Hello and welcome to Polyfield. Let's make a basketball today. First, remove this default mesh and add a new UV sphere. And let's reduce the segment to 16 and go to edit mode and let's remove half of it. Select them. Not all of the vertices are selected. The good idea is to enable the X-ray mode. Change the view to the X. So select this half, remove it by pressing X and select vertices. And let's remove this top one too. X vertices. Now let's join them together. Not all of them except the two, except the top and the bottom one. Let's bridge it. Go to the edge menu, bridge edge loop, and take another loop cut here. Control R, click, and left click to release. Now join these two vertices, select them, merge them by pressing M and select add center. Do the same with these two, M and add center. Now scale this down a little bit. Actually, I want this curve shape for the black line. So this one is okay, I think. So let's take a mirror modifier, go to the object mode, and here add a mirror modifier. Do it in the z-axis, move the x-axis, enable clipping. Okay, now go to the edit mode again. Let's select this line, change the mode to the edge selection mode, control click this one and this one. Now bevel it by pressing Ctrl V. This much is okay, I think. Now add another two loops by scroll up your mouse wheel, click to apply. Now let's reduce the selection by pressing Ctrl and minus, and let's scale it down S and move your mouse cursor. This is okay, I think. Now we are already selecting our black line. So take a material for black lines, go to the material properties, add new. Let's rename it to black or black line. Now assign it, sign, and rest of them are our ball, the orange color ball. So let's invert the selection by pressing Ctrl I and take a new slot. Let's rename it orange ball. Okay, assign it. Okay, now it's fine. Let's go to the object mode. We can apply the mirror modifier. Now take a subdivision surface modifier, make it to 2, and we can apply it to apply and shade smooth. It looks fine. So let's give it some color. We have two material slot, the orange. Let's make it the orange color, and this is the black. Okay, let's see how it looks here. The black lines is too wide. Maybe it's for the subdivision surface. So let's fix it. Now go to the edit mode and select our orange ball slot. Sorry, select. Now let's expand this selection by Ctrl plus and plus. Okay, now we have selected our orange. Let's assign it again. Sign. Click outside. I think it's fine. Let's go to the object mode. Yeah, it's fine. If you want this line more narrow, you can expand the selection of the orange ball again. Okay, so our ball is ready. Color is fine. Now it's time to give it a real look. We need some circle here, uh, like the original basketball texture. So we can do it using the shading and give it a Voronoi texture. First, let's unwrap it. If you are familiar with UV unwrap, I am not going to describe much about it. So let's just unwrap it in the easy way. Go to the edit mode. For unwrapping this one, this one, this, no, sorry, it's wrong. Let's disable this one, and this one. Let's add seam for this lines. Press U and mark seam. Okay, now it's like we are cutting the wrapping in these lines. Now select all again and unwrap it, pressing U again, and unwrap angle base. Okay, so it's unwrapped. We can see it in the UV editing. If we select it, this is our pieces of different seams or different sections. So we are not going to do anything here. Let's go to the shading. Let's join them. We don't need them. So this is our slot 2. Let me make it bigger so you can see better. And we need bump here, vector and bump, and we need a Voronoi texture. In the texture, where is the Voronoi? Yeah, here it is. So let's connect the normal to normal and the distance to height. Yeah, this is our Voronoi texture. They are too big. Let's reduce the randomize, and to control them, let's add a color ramp. Search, we can search. If you forget where is the node, so color ramp, add it here, and just move them to control this bumps. Maybe they are like holes. We can invert it. Okay, now they are not holes, they are bumps. And let's scale it up to make this work. Maybe 300. Yeah, it's too much. 250. It's too much too. Let's press Ctrl T here and change this texture coordinate to UV. Okay, now they are nicely aligned and it looks fine. And you can always play with this configuration. Let's increase the randomize a little bit. You can always play with this configuration until you are satisfied, or until you have your desired result. We have some overlapping here, so let's make them more closer. Sorry. And reduce the strength. Okay, This they are look fine, I think. Okay, this one is fine. So, and let's give them a different color, the bumps and the real ball. So another color ramp here, and join it to with base color. Now let's color them. One is for dark orange and one is for light orange. I think both of them are similar. So make it a little lighter. Okay, it looks fine. And you can give it more shading by this. It looks nice, but I think I should inverse it. I think the previous one is better. Let's not connect it. Sorry. Okay. So guys, this is our bulb, and this is the final our final setting for the shading. You can take a screenshot for this and apply at your own. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you need any specific tutorial. Thank you for watching again.